Hey my lovelies, it's your girl Chef Angie here and I'm back with another video. Yes, I know I haven't been posting. I actually took a break off posting on social media for 2 weeks, but I'm back now. So if you're seeing me for the first time on your screen, my name is Asani Angel. Here on YouTube I create content on majorly food. So guys, if you would love to see interesting recipe, then stay tuned. And don't worry, I'll be letting you guys know what I did during my break towards the end of the video. So yeah, today we're gonna be cooking vegetable stew. So let's get with the intro. Okay, moving on, the first thing we're going to be doing is blending our tomato paste, or would I say pepper paste, because I used a lot more pepper than tomatoes in this particular paste. But anyhow guys, the ingredients is going to be in the description box. I mean, yeah, I could have easily removed this particular part of the video because it wasn't positioned well, but nah, I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes these things are not really easy. It takes a lot of time for someone to bring out the best and perfect quality video for you, but I'm so sorry this is like this, but please forgive me. So guys, after blending this, the next thing we're going to be doing is heating a pot. Make sure your pot is not too hot. Don't be like me, because I'm going to pour red oil into this. So that's palm oil. As you can see, the way my pot is smoking, if I had a leaking pot, fire would have definitely come out of this. But so make sure that your pot is not too hot before putting this in. So please, we don't want any accidents in the kitchen, okay? So guys, after you put in that, you let your oil calm down, then you put in onions. Guys, I've been trying to up my onions game. Yes, it hasn't been easy though. If you go to my Instagram and check the recent recipe video there, you'll see my onions game was like top. But anyways, we move. So the next thing I'm going to be adding to this is seasoning. I'm adding seasoning because I'm going to fry Kpomo inside this oil, and I want that to juice to enter inside. So the first thing I added was salt. Then I'm going to add bouillon cubes. That's just one no cube. Yeah, so don't worry, ingredients and description box, so don't forget to check that place. So I'm just going to stir this and then add in my Kpomo, and I had about like 10 to 15 piece of Kpomo here. I think Kpomo is one of the things that have not really increased compared to other foodstuffs. So I mean, you can always find it at a good price. So the next thing I added was fish. You could definitely add other protein into this, like meat, like stockfish, depending on your own flavor. But for me, I had this available and I did not really have the cash to buy meat at that point in time. So make sure you fry your fish on one side before flipping it to the other side. Yeah, I did not show you guys when I was flipping mine because it took me time, guys. It actually took me time because I was trying to be very delicate so my fish would not scatter. Yeah, I'm going to remove the Kpomo for it from the mixture because I do not want my pepper to go in and the Kpomo starts tasting peppery. No, nobody wants that. So I'm going to remove that. It has already sat here for about 5 to 7 minutes, so that's fine. That's totally fine for your Kpomo to actually fry. Yeah, so guys, this thing was already giving me eforiru vibes, but like it was already giving me that vibe, but there's no earrings, I say I can't call it eforiru. So guys, after that, I'm gonna add in my tomato paste or pepper paste, anyone you guys want to call it, depending on you. So I'm just gonna let this fry, but if you do not want to go through the stress of waiting for it to fry, I will link my jollof rice video at the top. You guys can check that out. You see I used a particular method to dry my fresh tomato and pepper before blending it. So when that's done, you're just gonna cover the pot and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, but that depends on the amount of tomatoes you have though. So I added no cube into this, just one again, and I did not add salt because I already felt that the salt I added at the beginning was enough, and I did not add pepper because this is the pepper mix, obviously. Can you see that splash? Things like that happen in the kitchen, honestly. So right now it is almost dried. Yeah, so I just went in back with my fish and my Kpomo because that pepper taste has already come out of that of the tomato paste small. So I just went in with my Kpomo and everything just so that the whole juice can soak inside this thing. Guys, have you eaten Kpomo that you'll be just tasting the juice of the whole pepper and everything? That's what I was trying to achieve, and I definitely did. So guys, stir this, and as I was stirring and mixing everything together, I realized that my pepper mix was already drying, but that's fine. But I added crayfish because I did not want it to just be there, and I did not add the grinded one because I wanted a little bit of, obstacles inside. But make sure you always sieve your crayfish before putting it. As you can see, my tomato paste is already dry, guys. So if you want it drier, you can definitely leave it on fire, but if you do not want it, then I think this is fine. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is Uwgu. You cannot say vegetable stew is vegetable stew without adding the vegetable now. So go crazy with this one. If you want to add little, add little. If you want to add more, add more. So I covered my pot just so that the vegetable can get soft a little before turning it. So guys, now we're done with that. Let me tell you guys what I did during my break. So I rested, guys. I needed to rest because I felt like I was bombarding myself with a lot of work. Yeah, so I rested. I was able to create a content strategy for Instagram, but I did not really create one for YouTube because at that point I did not think I really needed it. Yeah, so I also decided on some things. Yeah, and so far I've posted twice since I came back, and they've been doing good. They've been following my content strategy. Yeah, so I think I'm loving this. Well, that's fine. So for YouTube, I'm going to be posting once every week, and that will be on Friday, getting prepared for the weekend. So I'll be giving you guys weekend recipes, so you guys should wait for me. I'm definitely going to come for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys weekend recipes. If you're wondering why I'm not posting twice, it's because it was affecting my productivity in some other areas. That's the reason why I'm not giving you guys videos twice a week, and till when I'm able to do that, then you guys will see. So for now, my vegetable is almost done. I just wanted to stir it for some time. I actually let this sit because I wanted it to bubble up. Yeah, I let this sit for some time. I covered the pot actually, but now it's done. Guys, can you see all that juiciness? Yeah, it's very juicy, and trust me, this was delicious. So guys, I think that's all I have for you all today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video if you loved it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.